Ready with me to go shopping. For me, it's very rare to go out alone. It's been 4 years and I never gone shopping by myself. I always go with my husband. I don't really like going out alone. It doesn't feel the same. So here my easy peasy makeup look done. I'm wearing pink today because I absolutely love pink. Now come the hardest part. Putting on shoes. When my husband isn't around, it's feel like a whole battle between me and my shoes, but somehow I manage to win every time. Okay, shoes on, battle won, let's go grocery shopping. Before leaving, I watered my plants. I actually asked my neighbor to help take care of them while I'm away because honestly, plants usually die with me. Once I brought a plant home and promised to take care of it like my baby. And after one winter, it died. Since then, I decided not to keep plants anymore. Anyway, there is some kind of local celebration going on here in Nova Zagora, Bulgaria. The town center is full of people, stalls, and fun activities. It's nice to see such a lively crowd. When I first came to Bulgaria, everyone used to tell me, go out, enjoy yourself. But honestly, I don't enjoy going out alone. It feels like strange. Like one lonely stick walking around. It started raining, and I was like, oh no, please don't rain now. I don't even have an umbrella, but still, I love this weather. When the leaves fall and the air feels soft, it's so beautiful and cozy. So let's start shopping. I don't need much, just some tomatoes and basic stuff. I'm honestly terrible at picking good vegetables. I just grab a few that looks hard and hope for the best. My husband usually check them because and he's good at shopping like grocery and everything. I'm just like maybe just for clothes or makeup. I'm not really a makeup girl, but still, yeah, maybe some this thing of I'm interested not in vegetables. Well, walking around, I saw some drinks that looks nice, so I brought them. But when I got home, my husband said, "Don't drink that. It's not healthy. Next time, buy juice instead." And I was like, "Okay, this time forgive me. I'll do better next time." Then at the counter, there was an old lady arguing with money. I didn't understand a single word, so I just waited patiently and smiled. When I shop with my husband, I don't even notice when he pays or begs. I just walk around relaxed like a little princess. But when I'm alone, I have to do everything pack, carry bags, and I really don't like it. Also, in Bulgaria, they use so many coins. I'm not used to coins at all. I prefer paying in cash because counting coins confuse me. Maybe I'll get used to it one day. And in Bulgaria stores, you have to pack everything yourself. I really miss my husband when that happens because he always carry all the heavy bags and everything he do. I saw some mini donuts and I wanted to buy them, but my hands were full, so I said next time. And I was planning to come out later with my husband and then to have donuts. And also, I wanted to see around in the center. For now, I just came to do the shopping, and that's it. Once I arrived home, I unpacked everything and finally opened my chips, my little treat. I mean, I carry all the bags, did all the shopping, and handle everything alone. So, yes, definitely deserve a treat. Now I'm going to make a Pakistani dish. I'm trying to be a chef, which I'm not, so please forgive me if it doesn't look perfect. I'm cutting some tomatoes for a dish called penda, also known as a sabut, something like that. I'm not totally sure, but you all see what I mean. Whenever I cook, I like everything around me to be clean and organized. I can't stand dirty dishes lying around. I wash everything right away. I don't like to leave it for later. But my husband, on the other hand, makes a complete mess when he cooks. From that, I even learned one thing. He's really good at handling things outside the house, and I'm good at managing things inside the house. Of course, I love mirrors and I love taking pictures. When I lived in Pakistan, I never really listened to Pashto songs. I used to prefer other languages, but now I love listening to Pashto music. It's connect me to my language, to home, and to so many memories. Here I was about to pray, so I told my husband, now it's your turn. Watch the meal while I pray. He's not really a camera person, and he's always like, don't really include me, don't. don't include me in your videos and stuff like that. Like, okay, sometimes, but not really. But well, he married a wife who loves to making videos, so he doesn't really have a choice. Anyway, I ate some butter and fried onions, and the smell was amazing. Here the final look. Don't mind my decoration, but it was really tasty and my husband loved it. When your spouse is from a different culture, life becomes both fun and a little confusing sometimes. But one thing for sure, it always brings a lot of interesting and delicious dishes to the table.